everyone. Welcome to Accounting Tutorial Online Class. But before we start, please like our page, Accounting Tutorial Online Class. And this is Carms, your accounting coach for today. So let's get started. Come on. Alright, so our topic for today is revenue. So in our previous class, diniscuss natin about the definition, recognition, and then the types of revenues. This time, magkakaroon tayo ng exercises. So we're gonna answer those exercises to test then yung knowledge natin dun sa revenue. So we have identified that. We have also discussed the recognition principle, like if you're on an accrual basis or on a cash basis. And then we've also discussed previously yung types of revenues, if it's operating or non-operating. Alright, so this time, let's have our quiz. Okay. Alright, so let me just share my screen. Okay, alright, so I hope you can see clearly my screen. Alright, so let's start. We have to, on this exercise, we are just going to answer true or false. Okay, revenue is the amount earned from customers and clients after subtracting the company's expenses. True or false? The answer is false. Why? Because it says after. It should be before. Okay? Alright, so next, number 2. Revenue is the amount a company receives on account from selling goods and or providing services to its customers and clients. True or false? The answer is true. Very good. Alright, next, number 3. Revenue is the amount a company receives in cash from selling goods and or providing services to its customers and clients. True or false? Alright, the answer is true. Ang galing. Very good. Okay. So let's see the other pages. Okay, number 4 to 6. Okay, number 4. Revenue is shown usually at the bottom item in an income or profit and loss statement. Is it true or false? Okay? The answer is false. Bakit? Kasi it says it's on the bottom. And revenue is normally at the, or actually at the top. Okay? Not at the bottom. Alright, so next, number 5. The impact of revenue on the balance sheet is an increase in asset account. Okay? Sabi niya, increase. And a matching decrease in an equity account. So, true or false? The answer is false. Bakit? The increase is correct, but the decrease is no. It should be also increase in equity account. Kasi revenue is part of the equity account. Alright, number 6. Sales revenue is the amount of commission the sales people make. Is that your sales revenue? True or false? The answer is false. Bakit? Because the commission is actually an expense on your end. Okay? Being the company, nagbibigay ka ng commission sa mga sales mo, sa sales rep mo para they make money for the company. But that is actually an expense on your end. Okay. Very good, guys. Okay, let's proceed to the next exercise. Okay, ayan. Provide naman tayo ng journal entry. Okay, let's do that. Vapor Inc. Number 7. Vapor Inc. receives cash from clients renting their computer facilities in the amount of 22,000 pesos. Alright, so dito pa lang sa statement, you'll know na yung business nila. It's like they're renting their facilities. So your entry would be, and what did you receive? cash. 22,000. Okay, and then you're gonna credit what? What kind of income? Rent income. Very good. 22,000. So, ayan ang entry natin for number 7. Let's go to number 8. Twin Trading sent a 9,000 peso bill with 30-day terms for cleaning services rendered to its client, One Corporation. So, nagpadala ka ng invoice mo, ikaw mismo. So, that means meron kang magiging receivable. Bakit? Kasi hindi pa naman nabayaran in cash. So, that's why your entry would be accounts receivable. There you go. How much? 9,000. Correct. And what are you going to credit? Are you going to recognize the sales now? Because of that service? The answer is yes. Okay. So that is 9,000. Okay? Questions so far? None. Okay, now let's go to the problem solving. Okay, so number 9. Let's read this. First Corporation is selling top of the line calculators for 1,500. So the cost is 1,500. And if they regularly sells 150, okay, so times 150 units per month, how much is the total revenue? The answer is, so we're gonna do 15 times 150 is 225. Yan. Next, number 10, si First Corporation would like to achieve 100,000 sales revenue. So, meron naman siyang target. Gusto niya ng 100,000. Okay. And the product is costing 1,500. Same, no? So, 1,500. Here, 1,500. Pero, ang tinatanong ng problem is how many calculators they need to sell in order to achieve the sales revenue. Ito yung wala. So, paano natin siya gagawin this time? All you have to do is to divide this to 1,500. So, you'll get around 66 point something. And then, let's just round it off, okay? 67 calculators. Para ma-achieve mo pa rin yung 100,000. So, the answer is 67. Okay, let's just round it off. For purposes of this problem, let's just round it off. Alright? Okay, so let's go to number 11. Okay, question so far, guys? Wala naman. Clear enough? Okay, let's do number 11 and 12 for Second Corporation. Okay, Second Corporation is offering catering services for 100 persons. So, special package siya, no? Amounting to 75,000. So, this time, service yung binibigay niya, no? Okay? If they have confirmed booking of 5 this month, so na meron silang 5. Confirm, meaning talagang sure na sure na sure. How much is the total revenue? So, easy peasy. Okay? Kailangan, okay, bring out your calculator, guys. 75,000 times 5 is how much? Okay? How much? Anyone? Alright, so it's 375,000 pesos. Yan yung total revenue niya for the month. Okay, number 12 naman. So, si Second Corporation, gusto naman niyang ma-achieve is 1.125. Okay, parang yung kanina lang. Yan naman ang gusto niya ma-achieve na sales revenue for the next 3 months. How many confirmed bookings per month must Second Corporation have on this special package rate? So, we have, alam naman natin na 75 siya, no? Ang wala is ito. So, all we have to do is divide. Again, divide 1,125 divided by 75 is how many? How many? 1, 5, 15. Pero, this is for 3 months. Yes? Ang tinatanong sa atin is, how many confirmed bookings per month ang kailangan niyang gawin. And because this is for 3 months, let's just divide it to 3, which means will become 5 per month. Okay, the answer is 5 per month. Clear? Alright, so very careful lang ha with all with the details. So make sure na binabasa natin maigi yung problem. Okay, so let's go to the last problem. Okay, alright. Number 13. Okay, I'll just move this one. Yan, okay. Hope it's... Okay, wait lang. Okay, there you go. Okay, cart companies' usual sales terms are net 60 days. Let's just read the problem muna, guys. So, FOB, shipping point. So, let's take down na yung mga important notes, ha? Okay? Net 60, FOB, shipping point. And then the sales is net. Okay, the reported sales, yan, sales net of returns and allowances totaled 9.2 for the year ended December 31, 2019 before year-end adjustments. So, wala pa naman mga adjustments. So, nag-record lang tayo niya. Alright, so, on December 27, CART authorized a customer to return for full credit. Okay, meaning authorized talaga. So, anytime magbalik, you will have to actually deduct that. Ship and billed at 200,000 on December 15, 2019. The returned goods were received by CART on January 4. So, meaning, binalik talaga. Okay? And then, a 200,000 credit memo was issued and recorded on the same date. Okay? The same date, which means December 27. Take note of that, ha? Next, goods with an invoice amount of 300,000 were billed and recorded on January 3. Okay? Important yan. And the goods were shipped on December 30. So, take note of the important information, the date, the amount, the shipping date. The goods with an amount of 400,000 were billed and recorded naman noong December 30, but the goods were shipped on January 3. Okay? And then lastly, the January 5, 2020, the year after na, a customer notified CART that goods billed and shipped on December 21, yan na-ship na daw noon, was lost in transit. And the invoice amount was 500,000 pesos. Now, what amount should be reported as net sales for 2019 after all these adjustments? Okay, so let's compute. Okay. Okay. So, let's do how much yung sabi ng sales before adjustment. 9.2. Okay. Next. Next natin is yung credit memo. So, merong bumalik, diba, na 200. So, that is considered as sales return. So, dapat ibabawas natin siya. Tama. Kasi, sorry, kulang ng 0. Ibabawas natin siya kasi full credit siya eh. Okay? And then, na-record naman talaga siya noong December 27. Kahit pa na-receive ni CART January 4 na. Okay, pero may notification plus authorized pa siya. So dapat i-consider natin as wag nating isasama sa net sales 'yan. Okay, next, goods with an invoice amount of 300. Okay, may 300. Yan. Pero kailan siya ni-record? January. Pero kailan siya shinip? What's important here is the shipping. December 30. Pero January 3 ni-record. Dapat December kasi na-ship mo siya noong December 30. So, i-add natin siya. Yung next item, goods, kailan ulit shinip? So, important ulit siya. Noong January 3 na. Okay, 1-3. Pero, look. Were billed and recorded noong December 30 na isama. Okay? So, magkano yun? 400,000. Dapat ibawas mo siya. So, pansin mo guys, ito at saka ito, dapat nagkabaligtad siya. Nalito ang ating accountant. So, ayusin natin siya. Kasi, ulitin ko, na-ship na siya ng 30. So, valid siya na 2019 sales. Pero, ni-record siya next month pa. Okay? Ito naman, na-ship siya noong January 3. So, kung tutusin, hindi pa naman siya valid sales kasi nasa sa atin pa, hindi mo pa shinip. Pero, ni-record mo na sa December 30. So, baligtad. Okay? Next, January 5, customer, next year na to ha, take note. The goods billed and shipped on December 21, okay, notification yon pero talagang na-ship siya noong 21, were lost in transit. The invoice was amounting to 500,000. Is there an impact on your sales? There is none. Why? Look, FOB, shipping point. Ibig sabihin, excuse me, kapag FOB shipping point, it is the customer that will suffer the loss since that is the agreed freight charges. Okay, shipping point meaning at that time, kumbaga parang pag lumabas na siya sa company premises mo, it's already considered as sold. Kumbaga sa mga pansin nyo sa mga department store kunyari, once broken, it's considered sold. Parang mga ganon. So, once touch, parang ganon. Or hindi mo na siya, kumbaga, pinapasa na agad ng company sa buyer ang responsibility or ang accountability para sa kanya considered na as sales yon. So, ganun talaga. So, meron talagang ganung mga arrangement. And besides, it has been agreed upon. So that is actually alright. So, parang ang mangyayari, ano talaga ang gagawa? Si client ang mag-suffer ng losses. So, how much ito guys? So, let's compute. Get your calculator. 92 minus 200 plus 300 minus 400. The answer is, magkano? Right, 8,900,000 pesos. And the answer is letter D. Alright. Okay, so that is your exercises for revenue. I hope you learned something today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye and God bless. Bye.